All right, guys, check this one out. This is a 10 top teeth custom fitted grill we just had done for a customer. Here's the back side. This one's 925 solid sterling silver with the gold plating and the white diamond dust there in the middle. Beautiful grill, guys. This is a handmade piece designed to fit perfectly. Snaps right on. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth. It's a perfect fit. You can do a top, you can do bottom, you can do a set. That's up to you. We work with you on your specifications. Anywhere from, you can do 4 teeth on top, 6 teeth. That's up to you. But this has the diamond dust with the yellow border around it. Gives it a nice two-tone look. Well, there it is, guys. Check us out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.